What's up, boys and girls? It's your boy Ken Cash coming back to you live from Red Sea. And today I'm recording this video from the pool. Sometimes you have to enjoy your life. If you didn't subscribe, please subscribe, hit the like button. I'm gonna have a great video for you today, showing you how to use the MT4 M4 for all the beginners. If you don't join the Telegram group, please join it down below because we're coming back at you for Discord server next month, starting next month, for all the nice signals. If you didn't join, please join and enjoy the video. Let me take a dip. Peace.
Hey, how you guys doing? You guys just saw the intro. You know, I'm in Red Sea Gardaga, whatever it's called. It's a beautiful city, or let's say city, from beach. It's amazing. That's the beauty of trading. You can move. You can be on the move. I'm not staying in a palace. It's just around. It's a nice condo on the beach. So I like to show you guys around. Sometimes just throw in some clips of teasing around a little bit and just joking around. Anyways, today's video is about MetaTrader. It's really sad how many people don't know how to use the desktop MetaTrader. It's not sad, it's really hard, it's annoying. When you start using it, you feel like you went back to Windows 98. It's really like, looks really all outdated, but trust me, there's huge advantages of trading using the MetaTrader 4. If you don't understand pips, or it can help you know how much you're making instead of using calculators. You can see so many charts at the same time. It's faster. The feedback that you get from the graph, the prices, is more accurate, more faster, way faster. You can be running so many charts at the same time. It will not lag like TradingView. There is a lot of different things that we can do. I'm going to show you guys how to set it up, how to use it, the advantages of it, and how to optimize it for yourself. Anyways, if you're not subscribed, please subscribe and hit that like button for your boys for your boy King Cash, and he'll get back on the MacBook. I moved some of my setup. I didn't move the whole setup. I just two screens, a ZV and a screen, and a MacBook and a laptop, and that's it. I left my PC back home. Anyways, let's get to the video.
Before we start, I would like to say, guys, I'm sorry for the setup. It's not the best, but I'm at the hotel room, so I gotta do what I gotta do. So first of all, we start with the MetaTrader. So this is my FTMO demo account. It's not a demo account, it's a test account. So it's connected already. So basically, if you wanna, first thing we're gonna talk about is logging into. So you log into your trade account. You put your account username, password, and your server. So easy. If you cannot find the server, just type it down. Usually you can download it from the official MetaTrader website, link in description. And this is the first step. So when you log in, you will have probably a preview of this. I close everything, and we're gonna open everything together, and I'll tell you the importance of doing everything. So right here, we're gonna start with the market watch. So usually when you log into your new account, most of this will be hidden. So you right click on it and you show all. And after you show all, then you will have everything that you can trade in within that broker. So first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna show you how to open the charts, how to set them up, how to create a template and save it so you can use it every time. I don't have to redo all this every time you log in to your MetaTrader. And I know everyone uses MT4 on the phone, but I think it's okay to have the phone on the move. But when you're home, I feel that you should be able to use the MT4 on the desktop. So I will open the things that I trade. So I trade metals, gold. So first thing, you need to maximize it. Then we create the template. So first of all, you go to properties, and first of all, you need to change that color scheme because it's really ugly. Oh, let's close. First thing, you have this. We need to change first of all to candle sticks, and from this here you can scroll to zoom in from here, and also from here to move it up or down. So After that, you right click, you go to properties, and then we start changing everything. So foreground and grid, I go none. We don't need a grid. Foreground, we keep it white. Background, we keep it black. And bar up, bar down, and you can change any color you want. So let's say bar up, I want it purple, and bar down, I want it yellow, whatever. Then bull candle, I will choose the same color. And bear candle, if you don't know, bull is going up, bear is going down. So that's why when you hear bullish movement, that means moving to the upward. Bearish movement is moving to the downward. And that's why when we say we gonna go a long position, that means that I'm gonna go for a buy, which is a bullish movement. But if I'm gonna say for a short position, that means I'm shorting, then I'm selling, and that's a bearish movement. So you guys need to know that terminology. It's very, very, very important. That's yellow line graph. The rest. Oh, what happened? Oh, the rest are not important. Okay. The MacBook. Okay, so whatever. Bar up. We can say we're gonna make it magenta. Bar down. We're gonna make it yellow. Sorry for my phone. Bull candle is magenta, and beer candle is yellow. Line graph is green. And we're gonna say okay, color scheme, that's it. And we're gonna say okay, and then we right click, you go to template, you save template, you say we name King Cash template, command all King Cash, whatever, we're gonna call it King Cash. We're gonna save it, and that's, we're gonna have that template every time. It's a clean color, whatever the color is, you guys choose the color you want, and then you have it like this. So now, sorry for that. People call me sometimes for a mentorship program. Anyway, so let's get back to what we were saying. So now we have the template saved. Now I want to start opening the charts that I want to be trading. I want you to open all the things that you trade. So I trade gold, I trade GJ, okay, right here. And you right click, you go to template, and you load template, and then you go to King Cash, and you open, and bam, you got this right here. So we added this. Let's add more. Okay, so also I trade stocks, and I trade Tesla. Here we go, template. Here we again, King Cash. We got Tesla. Now we add, for example, GBP USD template. Okay, same thing again. We add okay, Euro USD. I know it's taking a long time, but bear with me here. Bear with me. We're gonna get there. So, okay, for example, use 30 template. Okay, so that's enough. King Cash. So now what I need to do, the way you're gonna use MetaTrader, the right way is you go to window, and then you go to, for example, there's different ways of setting up the graphs, but I use tile windows. And now I have like a look of everything. When for example, if I wanna monitor more than one chart at the same time, that's how I do it. But if I wanna trade something, I just double click it right here, or maximize it from here. Then you got the whole graph. You minimize it. It goes back to here. Then from here, you can, if you double click from here, you can go through them. And that's how I do it. I need to add one more thing that I want you guys to know, which is one-click trading, which is really nice. The point here would need to be as fast and accurate as possible, especially if we scalp trading, and I need to add one-click trading. And what one-click trading does, okay, if I add them here, one-click trading, and one-click trading is, be careful with the lot size. So if I want to trade gold and I trade one standard lot, it's already ready when I see the what I need. Like, for example, if I have like I'm waiting for it to drop here and I want to buy, I will just click here. Now market is closed, and it will buy right away. So that's the point of if you go here, one click trading. Another thing that people never use is depths of market. And right here, depths of market, you can see that you have, if you want to be accurate, you can accurate entry, buy or sell. Here is the red are sell, blues are buy. You can see right here, you can set the TP, and you can, if you want to do the barcode, or you want to have multiple entries at different points, you will open this and you can just start buying at these numbers, so you be as accurate as possible. So you guys should be also using this if you want to open multiple positions at the same time. Okay, so if we're here for analysis, should I be using this for analysis? Sometimes yes, because I feel it's the way this software is, it doesn't take so much power of your processor or graphic card, so it doesn't run heavy. It runs very smoothly. And right now here, let's go to tools. One second, view, and you will have everything that you need to go. So you go to toolbars, you click on standard charts, lineup studies, time frames, status bar, and charts bar. You got data window right here also if you want data on it. It's not really, I don't really use it. The market watch, I don't really use it. Why? Because if I go here, window, tile windows, then I got all the charts that I need right here. If I want a new open any, I already have them right here, and I just open them from here. And I never use new order because that takes much time. Put in mind you have a spread, and the time you by the time you open the new order right here and choose whatever, look for it, it will take forever. By the time you click by the spread, it can make it or break your trade. So focus here right now. So let's go back to here. We got our time frames here: 30, 1 hour, it's 41, 1 week, 1 month. Okay, and if I want to analyze here, we got our tools right here. So this is the tools that you have here on the hotkeys, but I just go to insert, and I have everything that I need here. So I have, for example, right here we have Fibonacci. So if I want Fibonacci, is right here, and I will just use it. I don't really use Fibonacci that much, but it's right here. It's already here. Right here you got the 0 level, 23, 38, 50, 60, 100. Also we got insert shapes here. You got your all different shapes. You got rectangle shapes, for example, if I want to draw my support line, and I can edit it. The way I can edit it, I right click, object list, and I got my rectangle right here. So I can set the color to whatever, and it's dotted line or not, the parameters, the visuals, and I just click OK. If I want to delete something, I come here and I just delete it and it's removed. You have all types of tools. You can use your trend line right here, and it's right here. Okay, so you can analyze your trades on it simply. But I like to use TradingView for analysis. That's not our point here. Is our point here how to use it for trading. You should be using your TradingView to analyze the base analysis, and then when to monitor trades, enter trades, you should be using the MT4 on the desktop. Okay, what other benefits that does give me? I'll tell you something. So let's go here. Because market is closed now, I cannot show you, but like if I buy here, a trade will open, for example, right here. And I want my TP to be right here, and I want my stop loss to be right here. So the way it is, after the trade is open, when you right click on this and you move it, when you right click on the TP, it will show you how many pips, and it will show you exactly how much you'll make. And also with your stop loss, if you keep moving it up and down, it will show you how much you're able to lose. So it's gonna help you with risk management. So if I want to, for example, if my account is $1,000 and I'm willing to lose 10% to gain 20%, which is 1 to 2 ratio, so that means I want to lose $100 and win $200. So instead of just looking for pips, I will just move my TP to $200 and move my stop loss to $100. Something you cannot do on MetaTrader on the phone. This is very important, and this is how it taught me how to use risk management correctly and how to understand pips. If you look here, you have an arrow and you have a crosshair, and the crosshair is really good if you want to see how many pips. So from 1851 to 1829, that's 92 pips. That's a 1,225 difference, and it shows you right here. See, that's 90 pips. So that's $9 movement. So you can know how, if you don't understand pips, it will tell you right there. And on the phone, it will not tell you how many pips are there. If you go to our view, you have market watch. If you really wanna add it, you can keep it here, okay, and keep this here, no problem. And also what you can do is you can grab the ones that you want on top. So GBP USD on top, Euro USD on top, for example, USD CAD like here. I want GAJ right here. So you can drag and drop the ones that you use frequently, so you can have like a visual idea of it. And also you can increase the width of it if you want to see the bid and the ask prices for them. This is good if you want to see the spreads that change, because the spreads are not the same during the whole day. I usually don't use it, but it's for, if you guys want to use it, you can go ahead and use it. And if you mess up, you just go back and do that. So if I click here, it will not go back to normal. So I go to window and I just click again tile window, it will go back to this. If you go to view, also we have the terminal, which is very important. This is where you trade here, and this is your account history. Oh, that's a nice. Okay, we're not doing bad right here on this. This we have some big losses, but we're doing okay. So our trade, this is, you have news here. Not really use this for news. So basically you use it for account history and you're using for trade, and that's all what you need to have for your terminal. So the way I run it, I keep the terminal, I keep all the four the windows that I trade. I usually move this down more. I don't need to see all this, and I will just use my windows here. And this way you can have like a whole visual of all your trading portfolios. If you have swing trades, you can see them. If you have multiple open trades, you can see them right away. Also, if you go to view here, if you go to view again, navigator is really important. You can have your accounts saved here. You don't have to log in every time you use them. You can have different accounts here. Then you have your indicators, all your indicators right here. Then you have expert advisor. So expert advisor basically are BI or business intelligence, basically the robots that you set up to trade for you. So if you reach a point that you have enough knowledge and experience, that you have set of points and data you can enter into create a robot, it will trade for you. That's what expert advisors are, but I don't really use them. And the same thing with scripts, I don't really use them too. But what is nice is there is strategy tester, which is very nice. So basically you go ahead and you use this strategy, whatever strategy you have, you can use it on anything, and you can say the timeout, the spread, for example, is 2, use data from 1970 all the way to whatever. Like you can use it on any data, and you can just say start, and it will do the whole thing for you. Then it will tell you the result, what is the win rate, how much you lost, how much you made. I don't really use it because I like to test it myself, go through it myself, and experience the trades on trading. I'll be trading here. I have my phone in my hand, or I want to go anywhere, or I take my laptop with me anywhere. I'll be able to look at this anytime and be able to trade. So for example, Tesla, I'll be like, okay, I know I'm waiting for it to come to this point. Ready, I want to buy 500 shares right here. Bam, buy, easy, we're done. Go hit your TP. The way I do my TP, I'll just drag the entry to where I want it, and if I want it to go bigger, it will maximize right here, zoom in, make sure I got my 5-minute on, because this is scalping Tesla. I'm going to make a video about scalping Tesla, and guys, let me know in the description if you're interested in something like this. So guys, that's it. That's the video. I hope you guys liked the video. I just wanted to make a short video to beginners, how to use MetaTrader 4. If you're not joining the Telegram group, please join the Telegram group before it's gonna close starting 1st of June. We're gonna be moving to Discord, and if you didn't join the Telegram group, you're gonna have to pay for the signals. But if you are joined already, you're gonna get a free lifetime subscription to the Discord server, which is something you guys should be able to know that we are been killing it. Let me show you guys. Where is our, okay, where is Telegram on my phone? Okay, so where is Telegram? Okay, let me show you guys the group. We've been killing it lately. So 1 second, let's go to, this is a King Cash group. Okay, it's my birthday, guys, anyways. So yeah, we've been sharing everything. Look at this, Tesla. Look at these Tesla, killing Tesla. Yeah, before, on Friday. Look at this, it's like 2.2k on Tesla. Look at the video right here. Well, I share everything with the boys. Look at this. Let's see it together. Okay, internet is trash anyways. So I show the video. Also here we were seeing gold together. So You guys are missing out. Anyways, it's your boy Ken Cash. Take care. Peace.